What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix auto rotate not working issue on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off auto rotation 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, the auto rotation will start working properly. But if you are still facing the problem in auto rotation, then check in-app rotation settings. So some apps have in-app auto rotation feature, so check if it's turned on or off. So if it's turned off, then turn it on, and then the auto rotation will start working properly. But after doing this, if you are still facing the problem, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down to open quick settings panel and click on this power icon. Now click on restart, and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix your small software glitches like auto rotation. So after restarting the phone, it will fix your problem. But if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is reset app preferences. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this 3 dot more icon, and from here tap on reset app preferences, and then from the pop-up again tap on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on reset option here, it will reset all your preferences for all apps, but you won't lose your existing app data. So reset the app preferences, and after that the auto rotation will start working properly. Now after all these solutions, if the auto rotation issue is still there in your phone, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here in reset, scroll down and click on factory data reset, and then scroll down to the end and again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and it will delete everything from your phone, including your apps, photos, videos and any other data. It will delete everything. So if you are sure, then tap on reset, and after resetting the factory data, your every issue in your phone like auto rotation will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.